What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It is Will from Will Surf. Today we are in Ocala at our buddy's place, getting ready to go mountain biking in Santos. We got the bikes all set up right over here in the back of our buddy's truck. I'll see you guys when I get there. You. Oh. Oh, great. I could do this one maybe. Paddle, paddle, paddle.
There you go. See, it's really not that bad. Once you...
Yes, I'll come back to you. Then I'll ask, what have we done under the sun?
Crap.
A lot of the guys with their little sport trick line, I'll show you some stuff.
Hold up the sun.
I'm new to this whole thing, so very inexperienced, just so you guys know. But I'm enjoying it so far. But we got the camper all set up. We got the bikes over here chilling out. And then we're thinking about taking the boat out just for a nice little evening boat ride. So it's real pretty out here today. Look at it, the water's so glassy. Got the kids playing over there. But yeah, got the boat. You! All right, guys, just finished up with the little boat ride on the lake. It is getting a little bit later now, and we're off to more adventures tomorrow morning. I'll see you guys in the morning. Morning, guys. Look at that sunrise. All right, guys, we just got done looking at the beautiful sunrise. Now we are here at Salt Springs with the boys. We're gonna meet up with one of my dad's friends, buddies, who has a couple jet skis. We're gonna take them out on the lake a little bit later. See you when we get out in the spring. Here comes the squad. Real quick before I end today's video, thanks for sticking around to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did making it. Huge thank you to Sam for letting us camp at his sick lake house, and to my dad's buddies who made this awesome video possible. If you guys were one of the OG subscribers, you guys will know Sam. He's a surfer just like me, and I think he was in the first video I uploaded ever. But yeah, he's a awesome surfer, and he wanted us to come enjoy his place in Ocala and show us some different experiences like the biking, and he had some buddies come out with the jet skis. But yeah, overall, very sick movie I could put together all because of them. So huge thank you to them. And now for the big news. The big news, it's going to Panama. Just like last year, we're going to Panama this year. But this time, since last year's video wasn't so detailed with me in it, because, you know, I was new to the YouTube thing, and I decided that I should do this more vlog style video with Panama. So my plan is we're gonna fly out Monday, which is like tomorrow, and then I'm gonna do a little video on just the city, because we're gonna be in the city for 3 days. And then from there, we're going to be going to Bocas del Toro, which is on the Caribbean side, and that's where we're going to be getting all the surf clips. So it's going to be a very fun experience, and I'm going to try to separate the videos as best as I can, going from the city to the surfing. So if you guys are here just for the surfing, the second video is definitely going to include the surfing. But I'm going to include, you know, some food content, you know, just eating, and then, you know, experiencing different things overall over there, because there's going to be a lot of things that we'll be able to do, and I want to do it with some more detail rather than what we did last year. So hope you guys are enjoying my vlogging style, and maybe some of the surfing and some of the different content. As you guys know, I posted a short a couple days ago that I got a Surfscape, and so that's been a lot of fun. But yeah, so it's pretty cool. If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe, please comment down below, and smash that like button. I'll see you guys in Panama. You!